If you don't want people from your phone contacts to find you on Snapchat, this is something you need to turn off right now. Maybe it's coworkers, relatives, or just people you don't want on your Snapchat. This setting will keep your account completely private. Let's fix it step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then tap the settings gear icon at the top right. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see Contact Me and tap on it. Here you'll see an option that controls who can contact you directly on Snapchat. If this is set to friends and contacts, that means anyone saved in your phone can find and message you. To make your account more private, switch this to My Friends. Now that helps, but it's not enough. Go back to the settings and scroll down again until you find Contacts. Tap on it and you'll see that Snapchat may already have access to your phone contacts. To completely stop this, tap on Remove Synced Contacts and confirm. After that, go back and make sure contact access is set to none or disabled. This step is very important because it completely disconnects your phone contacts from Snapchat. Now, even if someone has your number saved, they won't be able to find you on Snapchat. And that's it. Your account is now much more private. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.